On today's episode of Cooking with Tovia, we're making stewed okra with tomatoes. So I've already took the liberty and I browned 4 slices of bacon in my pan, and I removed the bacon to reserve the fat here. So I got 12 ounces of sliced okra. I'm using frozen okra that I've already defrosted. So I'm just going to cook the okra in the pan here. I'm going to work on about medium-high heat. And we're just going to cook this okra in this bacon fat for a good period of time because we want to cook off some of that slime. So I'm going to let the okra sit in the pan for a couple of minutes, and I'm just going to toss this and just repeat that same process. So I've been cooking this right now for about 5 minutes. I'm still working on medium-high heat, and I'm just letting it sit for a minute or two, and I'm giving it a stir. So this is going to cook about 10 to 12 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, to cook most of the slime off of the okra. So now that most of the slime is cooked off of the okra, I'm going to add a diced onion and pepper. Now I want to keep just a little bit of slime because it will help thicken our stew. So it's 1 onion, 1 bell pepper that I just diced. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes. So this has been going for about 5 minutes. Oh, it smells wonderful. So I'm going to shake over about a tablespoon of garlic powder. And this is from the Spice House. I'm going to pour over a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to give everything a stir. And also I have a 10-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. You don't have to use the diced tomatoes or green chilies. You can just use 2 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes if you desire. So I'm going to give everything a stir. I'm not going to add any salt to this until the end because of the bacon fat and the bacon that I'm going to be returning to this. Now I'm going to cover this and reduce the heat to medium, and I'm going to cook this for about 20 minutes on medium heat. So here is everything. So I let it cook for 25 minutes and I stir it about every 5 minutes, and it's done. I did cook this covered the entire time. Tomatoes and okra. Now you could serve this with white rice. Typically served that way, but I'm just gonna have it by itself. Now, if you want to change any of the seasonings or any of your spices, I mean, feel free. I'm just providing the foundation. So let's give this a taste. So delicious. I did add a little bit of salt and pepper at the end, but it really didn't need much, but it's delicious. The okra is not slimy also. Let's see if I mash it. You see, there's no slime coming out of the okra. Okay, so there you have it, how to make stewed okra with tomatoes. Please hit the thumbs up, share this video, and also leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and live and be well.